Hello children and friends. Today I am going to show you how to make a very simple recipe, that is oats breakfast smoothie. I'm sure everyone can do it at home. I'm doing with all the ingredients that is available at home, which so please let's start making now. Let's see how to do it. See, I have oats. Here's peanuts, banana, very ripe banana, then dates, chia seeds, and flax seeds. I'm going to take a mixie jar. You can take whatever mixie you have at home. Take 5 tablespoons of oats. You roast it before you make it. Because it will be easy for your digestion. Okay, 5 tablespoon oats. And then peanuts, 3 tablespoons. Then I have this banana, one whole banana I've taken, a medium size. Then the dates, 3 dates. Then the flax seeds. Then 1 cup of milk. If you are allergic to milk, you can make with almond milk. You can also make the almond milk like the way I made last time for the ice cream. That is, you soak 10 to 15 almonds and peel the skin and uh, grind it in the mixer with 1 glass of water. You get a almond milk. You can, if you're allergic to milk, you can use it. The chia seeds here, I have soaked it in 1 cup of milk for half an hour. Because if you soak it and have it, it is very good, easy for digestion. Now I am going to put the mixing. See, just 2 minutes, it's done. Get a nice thick smoothie. and it's a very well balanced diet. It has the proteins, fibers, and the carbohydrates, calcium, all the minerals, everything. So whenever you don't feel like having your breakfast, you can quickly make this and have. You can roast the peanuts and oats and store it in a jar so that you can quickly make it whenever you want it. Children, I want everyone to try this with with your mother's help. And let me know how it is. Thank you.